Hello, my friends. Got my voice back. I apologize for the last few days. I just had to give my voice a rest. Still a little bad, but it's a lot better. So basically what I did right at the open, well, at that dip right there, I bought calls and puts with the intent to sell these calls relatively soon. But that's that big move to the upside that I was speaking of in the reading that we did like several weeks ago for today. Big move here, the Sun card, the Lust card, we go to a distant resistance. It's a bit of a tricky day because it's a wave motion, two equal and opposite moves. They cancel each other out. So we're coming up on overbought on the 1 minute chart. We've got a bit higher to go based on this 10-minute chart, but there's a trade opportunity in this like dip. And what I see, guys, at the high, we definitely want to be, looks like it could be right here. We definitely want to be, well, I'm going to be basically making sure that I'm on the short side, that I have puts. I'm heavy on puts rather than calls. Moving into like the end of the day, we have a cash-in opportunity here on Monday. And what I noticed is that we have, in the pre-market, we have the Hermit card. We also have the low card, which is canceled out here as the Hermit card, which very likely means that the low for today is actually low. It's a lower low on February 7th. That's what I see happening. So right now I'm on both sides, looking to sell the calls relatively soon. Let's see, there's a few places where I see myself possibly selling them, so I'm going to take a look. Okay, so between 10 and 11, I'll be selling those calls. Depending on how high up we've gone, I may buy a few more puts, but basically I'm looking to sell the calls quickly, hold the puts overnight. Or if we take a big dip today, sell them and roll. And if I sell them and roll, what I would do is I would likely buy another split, calls and puts, because we're right now basically, guys, Mercury retrograde here for you. Okay. All right, guys, so we used vertical lines. This is Mercury retrograde's phases here. Alright, so we had the 29th is when we went into shadow. You can look at that, volatility starts to pick up. This is, man, this series really pissing me off. So that was the day that was station, and then we kept dropping, right? So we had a kind of like a flat drop, up, drop, right? So backwards is, and that was the station direct, right? So we have on the 22nd, we've got when we come out of it. However, look, so flattish, drop, up, drop, right? Then we kind of have like an in-between, then we had it goes backwards, same pattern backwards, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up. There we go. Drop, up, right? Now we've got it the same way that we did before. This piece right here should relatively be the same. So we're gonna have a drop, up, right? So I see us hitting probably much lower, or at least this level one more time. So with that said, right around here is a good place for me to be on both sides of the market, and that's what I've done. All right, guys, so that's where we're at. I'll let you guys know if things progress. I'll be back on. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so, guys, please hit the subscribe button. We do this basically every day, aside from when I have laryngitis. It's free, and we've got a great track record. So please subscribe, share, like, do all that. It's very helpful for me. Spread the love, and I'll see y'all later.